Hi, good morning, everybody. It's Kiana, and I wanted to show you the binder that I made. I made this for my kids last year, and it is all the recipes. So you know how you get all you got the family recipe file. You know, you have your favorite recipes in your books. Well, what I did was I went and I was photocopying at home, and some I was retyping out, but I ended up. I want to just tell you a little trick that I did. I ended up, because I had like 8 binders laid across my floor, the easiest way for me was to print one of each recipe. Okay, that's what I did. So I put all the recipes and I had them all stacked up. So I had about 150 recipes that I wanted to put in the kids' binders. So what I did was I printed all of this, and then I went to you can go and scan. I scanned it all, so it was all on a PDF. And then I was able to save this PDF so I could share it also digitally. And then I could then take it and have it all printed one time. So that was so much easier than trying to do one binder at a time and print it here and there. And then I had it all saved together. So that's a good tip. I went to the store and I was trying to buy this plastic. I was buying the 100 plastic thing, and it was kind of costly. But you can order. I found it on Sam's. It was really cheap. It's $250 for a whole box. I bought 2 boxes. I had enough. But my binder has 75 of these plastics in here. Well, I bought more than 2 boxes. And then I bought. And then you buy these 3-inch plastic 3-ring binders, and then I just made like a little thing. This is the only thing that's printed in color. Then I put our family recipes, and I put the year that I made it. So, and the good thing about what's really cool about that is that all the kids get to have the recipe, and then I have recipes that, like my grandma wrote on. It was her handwriting. I was able to put the kids all a copy of my. I had a lunch wagon. I was able to give them all a copy of my menu that I had as for their memory. I suggest that you make maybe make 1 or 2 extra ones, but as long as you have it on a PDF, then if you wanted to add more, at least you got the majority all in order. You can just print it, take it somewhere, or print it from home. So anyway, hopefully you can make a memory. So thank you. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas.